Featuring someone else. Yeah, thanks so much for having us tonight, sticking around. This is a lot of fun right here. 6 feet of water gonna save your soul tonight. Rolling down the road, going it's out back to the trunk. Somewhere around my mama trail, by the side of the phone. I got a Jones in my bones before we go, singing this melody. I stop the car, pull out the guitar, halfway to New Orleans and take me home. Gonna feel the sun about to rise, and we'll realize we have nothing to fear. Just me and my daddy and a guinea coat, playing music that nobody would hear. We'll set it up and spend the night, spilling over our tree. 10,000 cars by the side of the road, but the bars the eye can see should take me home. Take me home. Said this great house is built to found a mama. Baby boy gonna find the fountain. Said this great house is built to found a mama. Baby boy gonna find the fountain his way home. Take me home. Here we go! My baby should get the groove. I got swimming in the sea, so someone's buzzing and the day was hot, and we all about to lose control. The light turned shades of the road sky, and I knew that there was nothing to lose. I'm in the crowd breathing in a close lines, and I'm disappearing to the groove. Let's take me home. Take me home. get out of here and have a pleasant night. Again, we're the Susquehanna Fudge. You can check us out on all the social medias. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here for 3 more minutes.